Hello everybody and welcome back to yet another movie. And today we finally got it. I've been waiting for this for, I don't know how long. I think I ordered it like a month ago, maybe February, sometime like that. So it's been like 4 weeks since I've ordered it, and here it is, the Ford Bronco TRX4. So I went with the red and black. This is sunrise, but you can see here I chosen the red and black. I think it's more clean than the sunrise version, but it's everyone's taste. On the box, here is the colors as you saw before. Up here we have some different parts. It says T-lock remote locking differentials, high-low gear transmission, metal gear digital servo. We got a torque twist eliminated, Canyon Trail 1.9 tires. We got a waterproof ESC, well, waterproof for the ESC. And they got inner fenders, that's good to get out, keep the mud out and stuff. We got a cruise control, that's really something we need to check out later. This is my first crawler, so I've never driven one. And here we have a rigid steel frame. Good, good. Improved the geometry. We'll see about that. It says that we'll see. Scale detail on the body. This is really interesting thing to see. We got heavy duty extra wide rod ends, and that's a good thing because those usually break. At least on the E-Revo and the Summit. And we got a 3S power system, so you can use 3S LiPo on this one. This little bad boy right here, yeah. Aluminum GT8S chocks. Extreme capability. You can go up to 63 degrees. That's pretty wide. I don't think it can go up in 63 degrees, maybe. We'll see. The power of portals. The TRX4 scale and trail crawler is equipped right out of the box with Traxxas game-changing portal access. Portal access lift the truck at the wheels for huge center pumpkin ground clearance. In order to achieve the same clearance with the straight axles and not get stuck, your tires would have been over an inch taller than the TRX4's. So that's why you can have so small deck on this one. It says a lot of info. I think this is like the same but on different languages. So it's 312 millimeters from wheelbase to wheelbase. That's 12.2 inches and 22.1 inch from the end to the beginning. That's 561.6 millimeters. 9.8 inches in the front, in the width. And that's 248.5 millimeters. So 24.8 centimeters. And we have some more sides. Here's just a beautiful picture of the Ford. one more side to go. So here is what's in the box, and that can be a good thing to know. We got a TQI 2.4 GHz 4-channel radio system. My old one only had 2 channels, so this 4-channel is gonna be really cool to look at. We got a XL5H with waterproof ESC. We got the Titan 21T 550 motor. I think that is like one of the biggest brushed motor they have. Correct me if I'm wrong, down in the comments. Quality tool set, quick start guide, TRX4 ready to drive with Ford Bronco body. I don't know, what should we do now? Maybe you can just like look at it. Yeah, let's all take like 5 seconds and just look at it. Yeah, and on the shelf, you're just gonna put it on the no? Should we open it? Really? Like take off the plastic and stuff? Okay, if you really guys want it, so yeah, I don't know. Take out the whole knife. Oh, you see that? This is crazy. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna get you a close-up for this one. So down the drain they go, and here it is, Ford Bronco TRX4 scale and trade. So just take away. Now we're going to open it. Oh my god. Can you see? This is the controller. 4-channel controller. As you can see here, you have this and you have this. So I don't have this on my other controller. So this is going to be really nice to see. We can do some fun with these. This is freaking huge compared to my old RCs. So, okay. Here it is. And this is what you get. Going to take a little bit. You get some stickers. You get some tools. Get some pins. Get a manual. A need and a time and a where and a place. You just say, oh, I need 8255A, and they like, oh, we got you, boy. It's really nice that they send you with this one. So this one I'm gonna save. It's the warranty. It's a cool little Bronco Traxxas quick start guide. And in this one it's just said a lot of warning, and you need to be careful of the warnings and warning about their warning coming. So this is like a top review of everything and what it does. This one is for high gear and low gear. Now it's in high gear, now it's in low gear. That makes sense, because when it's up it's in low gear, and when it's doesn't make sense, guys. But okay. So when you're up you're in low gear, and when you're down you're in high gear. So yeah, that's good to know. I don't know, guys, if you want me to go through this like more thoroughly, put it down in the comments and I might do a video with like more thoroughly. I think we're gonna look at the car. Don't you think so? And first of all we need to take off 1 pin and 2 pin. So we put the pins down here. And then you just lift it up. Oh my god. This body is so much bigger and nicer than all of my other bodies. So the thing when it's black, you're gonna see like every little mark. Yeah. So it's gonna be pretty hard to keep this clean, but I'll do my best, and I really hope that... Should we do this, guys? Should we just pull this off already? Oh, look at that. This is satisfying. Tell me down in the comments below if that was satisfying. I really thought so. And yeah, this thing looks amazing. We're gonna take a little closer look. So here you can see the wind scrapers. They're actually like wind scrapers there. Not that you can go up and down, but still they are there. This is the real Bronco version. So I actually thought that it said Ford, not that it was like a sticker here. But this is actually just a sticker. Is it really that, guys? Because I thought this Ford was going to be like outgoing something, so that you can feel them like the other, like here, the hand grab you can feel. I thought the Ford was the same there, but this is just a sticker. It's a little bit ashamed. And there are some kind of light buckets here, not like really light buckets, but I think you can push in some lights there or something. And the actual backside door mirrors are just hold on with clips. So they're just like regular little clips that you put inside here, obviously. And the back looks pretty good there too. Actually 2 marks here. Why? I do not know. I don't know if you can see them, but there's one. And there's one over here, there. You can see them? 1 and 2. And if you look here, there's like nothing here to... says that it should be some marks up there. Maybe it's like for the... yeah, maybe it's for the extra wheel you can buy or something. This is a big thing, man. It's quite heavy actually. So I think I'm just gonna pull this one off. There's a little attention note for the more warning stuff. And that's a pretty huge motor. I didn't really think it was going to be that big. So here you have 2 servos. 3 servos actually. So you have one here, one here, one here. And then I think, which one is for the steering? Here you have one for the steering. So there's actually 4 different servos on this. So if it breaks and it will cost. Yes, indeed it will. So should we just put in some batteries and see what this thing can do? We should just like go with 2S, I think. Start it off like really easy. Double bender. So we will parallel connect the battery. 1 battery in. We put 2 batteries in. Because when we do this, we get a 2-cell 2S LiPo with 4400 milliamperes. And I think that will do pretty fine. The Ford Bronco with the parallel connections to 2S, so it has 4400 milliamperes. I thought I was going to buy like a 5000 milliampere battery, but yeah, I forgot. Independent shocks. So if you push down here, it goes there, same. Has a little bit of chrome protection here. I don't think the other one has. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think we're just gonna put in some batteries inside of the controller. So guys, always remember to put on the controller first. Like that, boom. This little button right here. And I think when it's green, it's in LiPo mode. Or cut-off mode, if you want to call it that. this thing is pretty badass. Just soft tires. Now we are in low gear, we're gonna put it in high gear. Did you see? Low gear, high gear, low gear, high gear, low gear, high gear. And to get the differentials, so now I don't know what's it what. Now it's in the middle, and now it's all the way to the front. So yeah, we're gonna figure that out later, but right now I think we're just gonna have to try it out. So come with me guys when I try my new Bronco out. So now I don't have any connectors for the camera on this one, so I don't really know how I'm going to do this. Maybe I should take you guys with me and let's get driving. We'll see how this works out.
Kulorna vill verkligen tillbaka i mitten hela tiden. De gör ju det alltså. Ja, Stella vill ju verkligen.
So folks, I've been unboxing this one now, showing you a little bit how it drives and everything. Okay, so if you want to see more details and more information about this truck, I'm gonna make another video about that, called like a review of the Traxxas TRX4. I really hope that you liked this movie. So if you did, give it a thumbs up. If there's something you're wondering about or something else, just put it down in the comments below. You'll be seeing many more videos of this car. So have a really good day, awesome night, good morning, whatever. See you!